I'm sure you've heard the news. Love isn't just about butterflies in your stomach. It's a full-body mind and soul healer. Love is a powerful force. It mends emotional wounds, transforms loneliness into connection, and even boosts physical health. When you feel loved, your body releases happy hormones like oxytocin and serotonin. These chemicals lower stress, reduce blood pressure, and strengthen your immune system. Feeling lonely? Love cures that too. It turns isolation into a sense of belonging, reminding you that you are valued and not alone. And let's not forget forgiveness, an act of love that releases anger and resentment, making room for healing and peace. Lastly, don't overlook self-love. Loving yourself builds emotional resilience and helps you tackle life's challenges with confidence. So, embrace love in all its forms, because it's the key to healing and a happier, healthier you.